Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here is the perfect opportunity to own your stately dream home. This house was recently reduced in price. It is located in the residential community of Boxwood, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. It is just 7 minutes from the town. This 2.5-storied house comes with 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, 3 powered garage doors, etc. It also sits on 0.24 acres of land. Kindly note, this is a private treaty listing and the seller is motivated. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 57.1 million or US $371.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.